Hi guys, welcome back to Kendal SEAT. My name's Lewis. I'm going to give you a little walk around video of this gorgeous brand new SEAT Arona Fr that we've got in. So this is finished in the midnight black metallic paint, and it's got the grey contrasting roof as well. So we've got the lovely blue and black cloth interior. So this car comes with LED headlights, LED tail lights, rear parking sensors. It's also got the FR exterior styling, as you can see, with the two exhausts down there. Got 17-inch dynamic silver alloys. We've got sat-nav, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio and full link, which is the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and that's all shown on the 10-inch touchscreen in the middle there. We've got the dual zone climate control, wireless charging pad for your phone, so you can always stay charged up on the move. We've got it's the DSG model, and we've got that blue and black cloth interior carries onto the front seats, and it's got the red sports stitching as well. So that's just a couple of the features that come on this car, along with many others. It really won't be around for too long. If you're interested, or if you want any more information, feel free to get in touch with us. You can give us a call, you can drop us a message on Facebook, or you can come visit us in person as well. We're based on Queen Katherine Avenue in Kendal, just by the Morrisons. So that's all guys, thank you very much. Bye for now.